All right, third grade, we are back with lesson 2-3. Right now, you can take out a separate piece of paper or a whiteboard, whatever you like to use. And we are working with more number stories. Just like yesterday's lesson, we were doing number stories. Now we're working with some extra practice. Okay, oops. Okay, so let's read our first number story. It says Trung had $15 in his piggy bank. He earned money by walking his neighbor's dog for 2 weeks. Now he has $60 in his bank. How much money did he earn? Fill in the unit box and solve the number story. The unit box, what are we measuring in here? What are we measuring in? I see a piggy bank. We're talking about dollars. You know what? We are talking about dollars because we know how much he has. We know how much he ended with, how much money, and now we know how much did he earn. So let's go through and figure out what we know. And it's always a good idea to underline what we know. Trung had $15. He had 15. That's what he started with in his piggy bank. Then he earned money by walking his neighbor's dog for 2 weeks. Is the 2 weeks important to us? No, we just want to know how much he earned. And we know what he ends with. Now he has $60 in his bank. So he ended with 60. How much money did he earn? So we know what he started with and we know what he ended with, but we don't know what happened in the middle to get $60, right? We knew he walked the dog, but we don't know how much he got for walking the dog for 2 weeks. So I'm going to go and use one of our diagrams like we used yesterday. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These ones right here. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use the, what should we use? Let's use total part for right now. That's what I'm going to choose. Where do we go? Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Gotta get my drawing tool. Okay. I'm going to start with my big rectangle. And I know I have to cut it in half. The top is the what again? The top is the total amount he has. I split the bottom part, right? This part plus this part equals the whole top. So we know part of what he started, right? He started with 15. That's part of what's in the piggy bank. Started with $15. Do we know how much he has total? Yes, he ended with $60. The total goes on top. Do I know how much he ended up as what added to 15 to get to 60? No, so I put a question mark. How am I ever going to figure this out? Well, this is like saying 60 equals 15 plus our question mark. How am I ever going to figure out that? Well, fact families, I could say my question mark, right? I'm just going to go right backwards. My question mark equals, and instead of adding, I'm going to subtract. So 60 minus 15. And I might say, oh boy, I don't really know what 16 minus 15 is. So I'm going to break apart 15 and I'm going to make it 10 plus 5. So now instead of subtracting 60, I'm going to subtract a 10 and then I'm going to subtract a 5. What is 60 minus 10? 60 take away 10 is 50. And then I'm left with a 5 I have to take away. What's 50? Take away 5. My answer is 45. So how much money did he earn? Trung earned, and I need my label, $45. All right, this was a good refresh for our number stories. Go ahead and meet me on journal page 38.